Okay, so the next thing we want to do, of course, our machine was cleaned and allowed to sit and dry overnight. We want to add our sanitizer rinse to it. So it's important to follow your sanitizer packet instructions. This one requires 2 gallons of cool water for 1 bag of sanitizer. So got my water here. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle my sanitizer around just like that. And then I'm going to take a clean whisk and stir that up. Okay, and once I feel that it is all dissolved and is good, we can now introduce it to our machine. And then we will pour our mix into the pan gently, like so. You should hear it bubble. All of our units are designed with an air pocket, or to create an air pocket, to allow the ice cream to absorb that air. That's what gives it its fluffy, light texture. So if you don't hear any bubbles, you might be missing a seal or something. So you may want to drain out and try again. Now we're going to clean the inlet tubes. We're just going to take one of our brushes that comes inside your parts kit. You can always order them from us too. And we are just going to scrub inside that inlet. It is very important that your machine is off when you do this step. We actually are going inside and kind of going against the dasher a little bit. So that would not go well if your machine was running. But now that you got that good and scrubbed, we'll just come around here and get along the side of the pan. Okay. And then we do want to, of course, the bottom of the lid does come in contact with product, so we want to make sure we get the bottom of the lid. Just like that. Okay. Once our lid is on, we will go here to the clean out option and let the machine run for 3 minutes and clean out. Now that our unit has ran for 3 minutes, we can withdraw the sanitizer product. So I'll just place my bucket under here. Now I do want to press clean again just to turn it off. At that point, I can draw out the sanitizer located in the right side of the barrel.